Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to do Black Friday marketing strategy with Facebook ads and WhatsApp. Okay, imagine you have an electronic store, you are a owner of an electronic store and you have recently advertised about your store on Facebook. Now, whenever a new lead is generated through your advertisement on Facebook, you have to send them a WhatsApp message regarding the Black Friday offer. But the problem here is, if you follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data, the details of your new lead. Then you have to manually type a message, WhatsApp message for them, attach the image of Black Friday offer, and finally you will send it to them on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something, right? You have advertised about your store on Facebook. Now every time a new lead is generated through your advertisement, they will fill up the form. A form will pop up in front of them. They will fill up the form, and on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message regarding the Black Friday offer. So for that I have used two applications here. First, I have used Facebook. I have used this platform to advertise about my electronic store. Secondly, I have used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app to send them the message. But here I have to face one problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that every time a new lead will enter your advertisement, a form will pop up, and on successful submission of the form, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message regarding the Black Friday offer. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to have any technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. So guys, you can see on my screen, this is how the form will appear in front of the customer as soon as they will enter your advertisement. Now the idea here is, as soon as they will submit the form, on successful submission of the form, they will receive a WhatsApp message. So I have opened my WhatsApp web page for you. As soon as we will fill up the form successfully, a message will be appeared here. So let's submit the form. So the customer's name is Tina Manuel. This is her email ID and this is the number. Now I'll click on next and I'll submit the form. We have successfully submitted the form. Now guys, wait for 2-3 minutes or 2 minutes maximum, and automatically the message will be reflected here. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in our products. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our electronic store. Thank you, regards, Electronic Digital Store." So guys, you have seen how perfectly just by filling up the form, the customer has received the message of Black Friday offer. Now you must be thinking how it is possible. Just by filling up the form, automatically she has received a message on WhatsApp in real time. So let me show you the process of integration on my screen, guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So what we're going to do first is, we will log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate our first application, which is Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So the idea here is, we have run a live advertisement in our Facebook account. Customers will reach to our advertisement and they will fill up the form, so a new lead will be generated. And step number 2 says collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. So as soon as the customer will fill up the form, on successful submission of the form, I want the data of the customer should get transferred into Pabbly Connect. And step number 3 says send the same message on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So in the final step, we will be integrating 360 dialog with Pabbly Connect to send the messages on WhatsApp. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another application which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. So the data of the customer will be transferred into WhatsApp, and finally a WhatsApp message will be sent to our customers. So guys, let's start with the process now. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type P-A-B-B-L-Y, remember, P-A-B-B-L-Y, press enter. As you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Pabbly Connect, so click on Pabbly Connect. As you can see on my screen, now we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. What we have to do next is, for the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click this and you can create your free account, completely free account, in just 2 minutes, because I am already logged in. So I'll click on sign in. Okay, one more time, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. As you know, today we are in use of Pabbly Connect. So come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. As you can see on my screen, we have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. What you have to do next is, we have to create a new workflow. So for that, you have to come to your right corner and click on the blue button which says create workflow. A mini box will emerge in front of you which will ask you to name your workflow. So let's name our workflow. I'll give the name to my workflow as Facebook to WhatsApp. So I've given the name to my workflow as the name of the application which I am integrating today. You can name your workflow according to yourself, according to your wish. Okay, now I'll click on create. And we have entered the workflow. Here we'll be performing the steps of integration. Before we start, you can see here the title name which I have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Now, let me share one important information with you guys. The workflow which we are creating today, this current workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. So you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account, guys. Don't forget to go and check. And before we start with the process, let me first tell you what is trigger and what is action. So let's read out what it is written here. Trigger: when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action: do this, choose your next application action. Now, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this particular case, the trigger event will be, we have run an advertisement on our Facebook account. Now, new leads will be generated through your advertisement. So this is our trigger event. Every time a new lead is generated through your advertisement. And what is the response we want? We want every time whenever a new lead will be generated through your advertisement, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to them regarding the Black Friday offer. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay, now let's start with the process. So to start with the process, we have to integrate our first application. For that, we have to click on our first application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of you. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the trigger event. I want to choose this particular trigger event, new lead. I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for 2 options, add new connection and select existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, as you can see, I have been successfully authorized in. Now it is asking to map 2 of the fields. The first, it is asking for page and second for lead generation form. So let me show you the page first which I have created, which is there in my Facebook account. Let me take you to my Facebook account first. So guys, you can see on my screen, this is my account on Facebook. Now if you'll go to your left corner, here you can see some options are given to you. Among the options, you have to click on pages, and now you can see various pages which I have created for different workflow which are there in my Facebook account. You can see on my screen. Now for this particular workflow, I have created this page, electronics digital shop. Let me enter it for you. So guys, I want to map this particular page there in my Pabbly Connect account. So let me show you the process how you can map this page there. All you have to do is come to pages, click on this arrow, and you can see all of the pages which I have shown you, which are there in my Pabbly Connect account, can be seen here in the scroll down. Now among all the pages, we have to search for our page which I have shown you. Okay, so this was our page, electronics digital shop. I'll simply click on this and this page will be mapped here. Now the form which is integrated with this page automatically be filled up here. You need not to do anything. You have to just unbutton this simple response and click on save. Now guys, listen to this carefully. I haven't run any live advertisement on my Facebook account, so I cannot show you how the form will appear in front of the customer from your Facebook account. But for this, Facebook provides you a different website, which is Facebook for Developers. This is a testing website. So there I can show you how the customers will see the form and how we will fill up the form on behalf of our customer. So let me take you to that website and let me show you the form. Okay guys, you can see on my screen, this is how exactly the customers will see the form. The form will appear in front of the customer. Now the idea here is, as soon as we will fill up the details here on behalf of our customer, on successful form submission, automatically these details will be captured there in Pabbly Connect. So let me show you the process. Let's say our customer's name is Sam John. Customer's ID is sam000@gmail.com. Okay, and this is the number. Okay, now I'll click on next and now I'll submit the form. So you can see I have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. And here you have to simply click on save and send test request and you will see the responses. The responses of the customers have captured here successfully. You can see the details, the name of our customer, the email ID and the phone number. So this shows that we have successfully done our first step. We have successfully integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now we will jump to our next and final step, which is integration of WhatsApp. But guys, here's the twist. We are not using WhatsApp here. Instead, we are using 360 dialog to send the messages to our customers on WhatsApp. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software, which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. So here we will be integrating 360 dialog. For that, you have to click on your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of you. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the various action event. I want to choose this particular action event, which is send template message. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. First is add new connection and second is select existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection and now guys, it is asking us to fill the values in two required fields, API key and the domain. So let's read the description so that we can know from where we have to find the API key and the domain. It is written, enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay. And in the domain it is written, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, example vaba.360dialog.io. Okay, so guys, let me take you to my 360 dialog account and let me show it to you practically where you can find the where you can find the API key. You can see on my screen guys, this is my account on 360 dialog. Now if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so for that we have created a different video and I have added the link of that video in my description box, so you can directly go to the link and you can find out the video. Now I have added one more link in my description box guys. If you'll go through that link, you can avail the services of this particular application 360 dialog at very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links guys. Now let me show it to you from where you can find the API key. Come to your left corner here, you can see three options are given to you. Among the options, you have to click on WhatsApp account. Now come to your right corner below, a blue button is given to you which says generate API key. Guys, listen to this information very carefully please. Click on this button once and your API key will be generated along with the domain. Now this is a one-time process guys. You don't have to do it again and again. You have to just click here once and your API key and the domain will be generated. Same API key and the domain can be used for different workflows guys. guys. Okay, so what you have to do after generating the API key and the domain, all you have to do is copy the API key, come to Pabbly Connect account and paste it here, then copy the domain, come to Pabbly Connect and paste it here. Click on save and you will be successfully authorized and back to your workflow. Now I have already told you guys, this is a one-time process of generating API key. So I have already generated my API key and the domain. All I have to do is paste both of the values here and I'll click on save and I'll be authorized back to my workflow. Now because of some security reasons, I cannot show you this process. So let me complete this process. This is a very simple process, guys, and we will directly meet in our workflow. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have successfully been authorized and back to my workflow. Now the first field which we have to fill is for the template. So let me show it to you what is template first. If I'll go back to my account on 360 dialog, now besides generate API key, it is written show details. You have to click here and you can see three options given on the top. Now among the options, you have to click on templates and you can see on my screen, guys, these are the various templates I have created which are there in my 360 dialog account. Now let me show you the particular template which I have created for my workflow, for my current workflow. Okay, so this is the particular template which is send fry data to. Let me show it to you. Guys, you can read here, template is nothing but just the body of SMS which will be sent to our customer. Here, let me read it out for you. It is written, hello, 1. Thank you for showing your interest in 2. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our 3. Thank you, regards 4. Now you people must be thinking, what are these numbers in double boxes and why they are given here? So guys, these numbers are variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. For example, in place of number 1, the name of our customer will come. So as soon as I'll enter the name of my customer in body field 1, you can see the number has changed to its original value. Here you can see. Okay, so this is just for an example. I'm showing it to you. Now here I have created the template, so I have taken 3 variables, but when you will create your template, you can keep the variables according to your need. Okay, it is not necessary to keep any numbers, any specific numbers of variable. Now let me show it to you how you can create the template. If you will go back on top, here at the right corner you can see blue button is given to you which says add template. Guys, you have to click this and a format of template will appear in front of you. Now you can name your template from here. You can select the particular language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS here. Now guys, listen to this carefully. After creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit, and you have to send the template for approval. Okay, the approval process is done by Facebook, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, the approval process will be done within 1 day. But guys, without the approval process, you cannot use your template. It is very important to first create the template and send it for approval. Okay, by clicking on preview and submit. So let me show it to you on my screen here. As you can see, all my templates are already approved, so that I can use these templates in my workflow. Now I want to map this particular template which I have shown to you, send fry data to, in my Pabbly Connect account. So what I'll do, I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. I'll come to the template field. I'll click on this arrow and I can see all of the templates which are there in my 360 dialog account can be seen here in the scroll down. Okay, so now I'll search for the particular template which I have shown it to you, which was send fry data to. Here it is. Click here and your template will be successfully mapped. Okay, now guys, you need not to do anything with these 2 fields, the namespace and the language code. The namespace and the language code will be automatically be filled up. Here in the language code, it is written EN. Guys, EN is the code for English. If I'll take you back to my account, here under the language section, you can see it is written EN, EN, EN. So EN stands for English. This shows that all of our templates are in the English language, so these fields will be automatically be filled up. Now come to your next field, which is recipient mobile number. Guys, we have to map the recipient mobile number. How? let me tell you what is mapping data first. If you'll click this arrow, you can see a scroll down will appear in front of you. If you'll click on the scroll down, you can see the responses. Now these responses are the same responses which we have captured above here in Pabbly Connect. Now this option of mapping data is given to you because whenever you are required to fill up the value in particular field, you need not to go up again and again, search for the data, copy it, come down and paste it. Instead, you can map the data how? Click on the field, click on the scroll down, search for the value which is number, simply click on that and the value will be successfully mapped. Now the next field is header image URL. Now guys, I want to send an image of Black Friday offer to my customers. So what I have uploaded the image in my Google Drive account, and from there I'll find the link of the image. So let me show you the image which I have uploaded there. Guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Google Drive. Now this was the particular image I am talking about. I want to send this image to my customers along with the message. Okay, so I'll get the link of this image. How? Come to your right corner where 3 buttons are given to you. Click here. Now click on share. Okay, now here it is written get link, and it is written anyone on the internet with this link can view. So all I have to do is copy the link, go back to my Pabbly Connect account and simply paste it here. Okay, now the body fields have started. I already told you how the body field works. Now here it is asking us for the name. So what I'll do, I'll map the name of my customer. I'll click on the field, go to the scroll down, search for the value and simply click on the value. Now here it is written product name. So what we are providing, let me tell you. So I'll write product here. Simply I'll write product. Okay. Now in body field 3 it is written product details. So what I'll do, I'll write electronic store. Okay. Now guys, these variables I have kept according to my wish, according to my template need. So I am entering the variable details here according to my need again. But when you will create your template, it's not necessary to keep any specific number of variables. If you want to keep just one variable for the name, rest you want to fix the message, you can do that also. Now in body field 4, finally it is asking for the company name. So let me edit the company name. Guys, as you can see, we have filled all of the details which were required, the fields. Now what I have to do, I'll click on save and send test request and I'll see if the responses are positive or not. Yes guys, the responses are completely positive. As you can see, there is no error it is showing to us. Now let me show you the message what the customers have received. So let me take you to my WhatsApp web page. And guys, you can clearly see a message has just arrived for Sam John, which says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in product. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our electronic store. Thank you, regards, Electronic Digital Store." So guys, you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked and how customers have received the message with the image we have put, with the image offer image we have put. Now let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect account and let me show it to you once again what we have done in our workflow. So guys, it was a very simple workflow with just 2 steps. First, we have integrated Facebook lead ads, okay, and we have filled up the form on behalf of the customer. That customer details we have captured in our Pabbly Connect account. Then we have integrated 360 dialog and we have used the template to send the message to our customer on WhatsApp. All we did is just 2 simple steps. Now I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, guys, so you can directly click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Please don't forget to go and check the link, guys. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.